In this video, I'm going to show you how to share live location for lifetime on Google Maps. Now, in order for us to get this done, I'm just going to inform you that this is applicable both for Android and for iOS device. So the same process, what you're going to do is just open your Google Maps. And then from here, what we are going to look for is our profile icon here at the top. Go ahead and click that one. And then we're going to open location sharing. Now, once we are here, just go ahead and tap share location just like so. And then what you are going to do is click this one right here. Instead of for 1 hour, you can go ahead and set this to until you turn this off. So again, for as long as you don't turn this off, you will be sharing your live location on that particular someone. So you can go ahead and try to check their emails here if they are here, or you can go ahead and basically click the more option here. And then you can go ahead and type here name, phone number, or their email. So I'm going to go ahead and try to say, for example, use email of mine. So I'm going to go ahead and type it here. I'm going to click this one right here, and then I'm going to go ahead and tap the share button just like so. So it says here select locations, select always. Now we can go ahead and click go to settings just like so. And then we can go ahead and click this one right here, and then we're going to set this one to always. So now we can go back there, and congratulations, you are now sharing your location with that particular recipient. And that, everybody, is how you are going to get this done. I hope this video helps you out.